I still remember the day I walked into the Rosen Plaza Hotel, Orlando, full of excitement and anticipation. My wedding day was supposed to be the happiest day of my life, but little did I know it would turn into a nightmare courtesy of this hotel. As I entered the lobby, I was greeted by a manager, Peter Agosto, who seemed condescending and aggressive from the get-go. I asked him to help with a simple request, and he made me feel like I was bothering him. That should have been my first clue to run away from this place. We had specifically asked for a room with a bathroom, but what did we get? A mini shower where a person could barely fit. It was like they didn't care about our comfort or needs. And to make matters worse, on our special day, not even a simple congratulatory message was offered. It was as if they were too busy nickel-and-diming us to bother with basic human decency. But that was just the beginning. The next day, I tried to bring up 3 small boxes from my car, and the bellhop told me I couldn't do it myself. I had to use their parcel service and pay $10 per box. Can you believe it? They were essentially holding my belongings hostage and forcing me to pay for the privilege of bringing them to my room. It was ridiculous, and don't even get me started on the parking. It was a whopping $22 per day, and if I wanted to splurge, I could pay $35 per day for valet parking. But here's the kicker, they didn't even provide a parking placard. Instead, they sent a text that I had to show every time I entered and left the parking lot. It was like they wanted to make our lives as difficult as possible. But what really got my blood boiling was when I booked a deluxe apartment through a third-party website, and they tried to pass off a standard-sized room as a deluxe room. I mean, come on, who does that? It was like they thought we were idiots who wouldn't notice the difference. And then there was the issue of cleanliness. The rooms were stuffy, with no fresh air circulation. The AC heater units were not cleaned, and the filters were clogged. It was like they didn't care about our health and well-being. We were basically breathing in dust and dirt the entire time we were there. But wait, it gets better. When we requested linens at night because our kid was sick, the front desk promised to send someone right up. An hour later, no one had shown up. It was like they didn't care about our needs or comfort. And don't even get me started on the ironing boards. They were broken, and when I asked for a replacement, they told me it would take hours. It was like they were trying to make our lives as difficult as possible. I shouldn't even have to say this, but scamming is bad, folks. Charging people for things they didn't purchase is not only illegal, but it's also morally reprehensible. And yet, that's exactly what happened to Utpal Patel, another poor soul who stayed at this hotel. They charged him $456 for items he didn't even buy, including valet parking he didn't use. It's like they thought they could get away with it, that they were above the law. So, dear friends, let this be a warning to all of you. The Rosen Plaza Hotel, Orlando, is not a place you want to stay. They don't care about their customers, they don't care about comfort or cleanliness.
So I was looking into crimes near Rosen Plaza Hotel, Orlando, and oh my goodness, it's like really scary. Businesses around there, they're like so shady, Like, have you heard about those organized retail theft operations on International Drive? It's like, right near Rosen Plaza Hotel, Orlando. They stole over $4,000 in merchandise, can you believe that? I mean, what kind of person does that? And the worst part is, they got away with it for so long. I predict the victims were probably left feeling so frustrated and helpless, like they didn't know what to do. And the thieves, they probably thought they got away with it, but eventually they got caught, thank goodness. And then there are those scam kiosks at Orlando International Premium Outlets near Rosen Plaza Hotel, Orlando. They're like super aggressive, They promise you discounted theme park tickets, but it's all a lie. They make you attend these 90-minute timeshare presentations, and if you don't comply, they get all confrontational. It's like so mean, I predict the tourists who fell for it were probably left feeling so overwhelmed and disappointed, like their whole vacation was ruined. And the scammers, they probably didn't even care, they just wanted to make a quick buck. And oh yeah, there's this one Nike factory store on International Drive, near Rosen Plaza Hotel, Orlando. They're like super tricky with their prices and stock, They'll suddenly change the prices or pull items from the shelves, and it's like so frustrating for the customers. I predict the shoppers were probably left feeling so confused and annoyed, like they didn't know what was going on. And the store owners, they probably just wanted to make more money without caring about the customers' feelings. It's like, you can't even trust the businesses around Rosen Plaza Hotel, Orlando. They're all just trying to make a quick buck without caring about the people. It's so sad.
The dark truth about businesses near Rosen Plaza Hotel, Orlando *, if you're staying at the Rosen Plaza Hotel, expecting a paradise of nearby dining, shopping, and entertainment, prepare for disappointment. The businesses in this area are a masterclass in mediocrity, somewhere between a tourist trap and a financial mugging. Let's start with *parking*, because apparently leaving your car somewhere is now a high-stakes gamble. Across the board, businesses near Rosen Plaza treat parking like a hostage situation. At Pointe Orlando *, you don't just pay, you sign up for psychological warfare. The QR code system is a digital labyrinth designed to fail. The garages are dimly lit and sketchy. And if you dare question the sudden $45 notice fee for a $7 parking tab, you're met with silence. One guest swore they barely avoided a mugging in the garage. Another had their car damaged by valet, only to be told the cameras didn't catch it. Convenient, isn't it? Then there's the spa at Rosen Centre *, a place where relaxation goes to die. Booking an appointment is like playing Russian roulette. Your reservation might vanish into thin air, or you'll arrive to find a staff member who treats you like an inconvenience. The price is highway robbery. One couple was billed $384 for a special $160 couples massage because, surprise, the fine print contained hidden fees. Towels are threadbare, showers don't work, and if you complain, the manager might just speak down to you in a way that makes you question basic human decency. Hungry. Nile, Ethiopian *, promises authentic cuisine but delivers confusion and frustration. The injera is drier than a desert, service is slower than a sloth on sedatives, and if you don't order enough food, they'll slap you with a mysterious $30 penalty, like a dine-in tax for breathing. One guest described the bathroom as a biohazard, while another caught the owner * watching them from the back like some kind of culinary spy. For fine dining, the capital Grille * should be a safe bet, except it's not. Steaks arrive unseasoned and overcooked, sides are limp and forgettable, and the service, either non-existent or hostile. One guest asked for a taxi and was told, "This is Capital Grille, not a taxi service." Another was overcharged by $100 on a $2,000 company bill, only to have the manager, Josh, respond with the charm of a disgruntled DMV employee. Nightlife. 39 at Rosen Plaza is a ghost town with a DJ. The music is good, the drinks are fine, but the energy is that of a library after midnight. Moondance Trading Co. sells spiritual crystals that are about as genuine as a $3 Rolex, and the staff treats you like a shoplifter if you linger too long. Meanwhile, *Crocs * bar charges $10 for a